How to log someone out of Facebook. If you have suspicion on your Facebook account that someone have access to it without your permission, this video is for you. On Facebook app, navigate to the top right corner where you see your profile icon and click on it. Then among the list of options here, make sure to scroll down a bit until you locate settings and privacy and click on it. A drop-up list will appear. Continue to click on settings. Then with this selected, proceed to click on Meta Account Center. Allow it a bit of moment to finish loading. Among the list of options here, continue to click on password and security. Then again, on this interface under security checks, you have the option to check on where you are logged in, logins alert, recent emails, and security checkup. Continue to click on where you are logged in, and then again make sure to select the account that best represents you. In this case, it's Mubarick Mohammed. So when I select it, I will allow a bit of moment to finish loading. Here you have a list of all the devices you are currently logged in on your Facebook. If you suspect any device that you know you are not familiar with, you can proceed to click beside the device and then allow it a bit of moment to finish loading. And then again here you have the option to click on logged out. Immediately you click on log out, you have successfully logged that person's out of your Facebook account. It's pretty simple and easy. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.